Welcome to Blizzard World. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Howdy folks, how's everyone doing today?
Fanta.
Howdy fried carrot.
Yeah, this is a good go. Oh, mercy. Yeah.
Looks like a good
There we
team to
go.
me.
Yep.
Justice will be done.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Hello.
Hello.
Should we set up on high ground? What do you guys reckon?
Friends,
Yeah.
resources
Yeah, do high
Sounds
ground.
good.
It's glory to be won.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
We can drop down in a second if we need.
Exactly.
Let me answer.
A moment to enjoy some peace and quiet. Probably just a moment.
If we get a good hook at the beginning, we'll be able to stop the first push.
4,
Cool.
3,
Come out and face me.
1. Attackers
Gnarly.
incoming. Defend objective A.
I like that skin too. Rein.
Me too.
Max is cool.
Made real.
Reaper.
Winston behind.
Got
Well
it.
done.
Thank you kindly.
Hanzo picnic.
My will made real.
Thank you, my friend.
You guys come on this fight.
Reaper's behind on point.
Get him, get him, get him. Don't let them get a tick.
Swift.
Hanzo's behind, Hanzo's behind.
He just got me. He's weak, half life.
Hold the point.
Come out and face me.
Hey, pick Reaper.
Thank you again, Mercy.
Help on
Awesome.
point.
See about the Max.
Sorry, the Reaper took me out.
Ah,
Lucky.
there's a lot of murdering happening. I'm trying to shield, but I'm having trouble staying alive.
I'm not gonna fight that out. I'll just
No,
die.
can we touch point?
No, group up, group.
Objective lost. Stop the payload.
Should've just grouped up there. That was unlucky.
Ah, I thought we could have touched point. Oh well.
Wait for me.
Let's kick him off the point here.
I'm behind him, I'm gonna Earth Shadow.
Well done.
Thank you kindly. Let's group up and hold the
Hulk, maybe
card.
back up. Yeah, Hulk, come back.
Enemy seen.
Hanzo behind. Pick the Reaper.
They're still fighting.
Hulk, get some
yet.
picks.
Yeah, Reaper's almost dead, but he got me.
There's snipers already.
Oh, I killed that one. Charge, Ryan. I got you.
I just charged, sorry.
If you can pin the... Oh, I'm lucky. We can get the Orisa down with one shot. Nice. Somehow I survived being like in the entire team. That was good, Zarya, come back.
Back into the fray.
Alright, you guys are on your... Reaper's one.
I'm gonna switch to Reaper. The orb wasn't working.
Nice.
Bring me another.
Should be one or two more fights so we can win this.
Don't worry, friends. I am your shield.
Try to save your own. Oh no. Whoops.
Right.
Didn't see the re.
30 seconds remaining.
Get behind me.
Slowly they
This is
realize.
coming around the left.
Heroes never die.
Ah, thanks again, Mercy.
Versus what? Take off the shot help. We need to kill that. Okay, well done.
Nice.
Get
Good
us.
work, guys.
Nice job, guys.
Score 0-1. Switching sides. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
So I hear shot calling's a thing. I think none of us are really doing it. We should maybe be a bit more vocal next round.
All right.
Yes, I say that as the quietest member.
What's your favorite color?
It's red.
Ah, look at that. I've already started shot calling. Do I have any cool skins for Zarya? Makes me sad.
Surely you can purchase some. Got points yet?
Spins.
Justice will be done.
I will shield you. Take some armor.
Greetings. Thank you, my friend. Hello.
But I will see them done.
Those are some fireworks.
Last minute. What's
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Let's just get the job done.
with your all.
Hello. Five, four, three, two,
Alright, let's.
one. Attack commencing.
Alright,
Let's go
go
from the far left, I guess.
Far left?
Yeah,
Far left
left.
is good. Let's do that.
I'll try to flank them from behind.
Pick the Reaper while he's at you. Okay, unlucky.
Ouch.
We can hold, if we can, no, just wait for team and hold this position, because this is a good one.
Punish Rein,
I
punish
got
Rein.
there, Moira.
Again! Again!
Alright, let's fall back and go as group of 6.
Yeah.
How about we take the left path again? We'll meet in that room above the left corridor.
Ren's on you, but you can charge him. Nice.
Yes,
got
I
the
can.
mer-
Well
I
spotted.
can get the mercy. Almost dead.
Much obliged.
Thank you for healing.
Wait, Rein and Moira, for team.
This will heal you.
Cover.
Alright, is the team here?
Yep, let's go.
Really? Yeah, let's go. Just charge in, right?
Rain's coming in, Rain's coming in.
Punish her, so.
Dragon.
Run shield, run shield.
Mercy's one. Oh, crap. Unlucky. Let's save some ults, then we'll push the point.
Good call.
This is not over.
Wait for the team now. Yep, just wait here.
Alright,
let's
I
stay
think
here.
we're trickling. Let's wait until our Hanzo respawns. Guys, there's just 3 of you up front. You should fall back. Alright, Hanzo's
Pick the
here.
Reaper. Okay, stay.
Take the high ground.
We all ready to push in?
Yep, we're
Yep.
all here. Let's go.
Let's go.
Reinhardt behind us, he's pinning.
Uncle Rose. Kill Rein, kill Rein.
Unlucky, you guys need to win this fight though, win this point.
It's too bad that he had a healer. I would have had him.
You can kill the Mercy first, focus.
I will.
Whoops, didn't see the mercy.
This is
Oh.
winnable. Nice job, Moira.
Yeah, we'll respawn faster than them, so we should have the advantage.
Winnable.
Again!
I'm planting my flag on the point.
Oh great, I just got sniped. Watch out for the Hanzo.
Yeah, their snipers are annoying.
Oh. Kill the Mercy, Rein. You can get her.
Ah,
Unlucky. I'm gonna lose it. One more push. Wait for me, and then we'll go in for the last one. We can do this easy.
Alright, I have to go now.
Alright, go.
yeah, we've got to go,
10
sorry.
seconds remaining.
Of judgment is upon us.
Kill the Mahal.
Touch point,
Overtime.
Unlucky. Easy. Good one.
Ouch.
Whoa. Alright. Good game.
Play of the game.
Hooray!